Hi guys, Anna Peroni here. I want to show you some new thing that we have for the Microblading app now. We just did a new template. So this here, I'm in my forms, right? So we have the projects for drawing, but right now I'm going to my forms and I'm signing as a brand new subscriber, so I don't have any forms here yet. I just want to show you really quick for most of you guys who know how to use the app already, how to add the new template form for COVID-19, okay? So you go here on plus, and you see you have some template forms here, but we don't have the COVID-19 over here. What you have to do, you have to go back to forms and click on customize edit forms. Oh, my accent is extra strong today. Sorry about that. So here I see the forms that come with the app already. This is a brand new user. And I see it, add new custom template or add template from library. So that's where you're gonna go, add template from library. And right away you see our first form here, COVID-19 liability form. Click on that, and then you see the form that your client is going to fill out. Click on add to my forms, right? And there you have it. So next time you have a client coming over, so I'm on my schedule here and on my news. Sorry, let's go back to forms. So go back to my settings, save. Now next time I have a client coming over and I want to tell him to fill out the consent form for COVID, you just go on plus, and right here I have the COVID form. Okay, so I can pick this form, I can pick the aftercare form, whatever other templates we have here, or you can make your own. And once you're ready picking all the forms you want the client to fill out, click on done, and then just, wipe the iPad and everything with your Lysol and all that stuff, cubby wipes that you're using, whatever, and give it to the client so the client can start filling out. Oops, sorry about that. The client can start filling it out, clicking on everything, and the client's ready to sign and everything. You guys know how to use the app already, hopefully. If not, I have other videos showing how to do it. I just wanted to show you this cool new COVID-19 liability release form template that we have. Okay, until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and you have my email, you have my phone number. Some of you call me at 1 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes I'm sleeping, but I respond as fast as I can whenever you have a problem with the app. Bye bye guys, see you later.